Refocus.
What's up, guys? Today
We're doing
a brownie baking challenge, but we're doing it blind,
deaf, and can't talk.
and can't talk. We did have a pad on her mouth, but it started to itch her.
Why is it sticking?
Oh, it's sticking to me, but it started to itch her, so we had to change it.
All right, ready?
Okay, ready? Let's get it.
No mess either.
Okay, get the ingredients and get a bowl. Get the ingredients and get a bowl.
I'll get a bowl.
Put the bowl in my hand. Put the bag in my hand, actually. Is it open? Okay. Get a bowl under me now. This is a big bowl? Oh. Get the camera on it. Over here. Right, hold on. Okay. What's up?
I have an idea. Wait, no, I have an idea. Wait, move for a second. Smart.
What?
I'm just putting a towel down.
One smart cookie over here. Over here.
All right,
Not there.
so we need
Because I'm heartless.
2/3 cup of oil.
Oil. Give me.
I don't know what she's.
Whoa.
Okay, 2/3 cup of oil.
Let me roll my sleeves up for this one. Oil me up. You know, that sounds an awful lot like eggs, not oil.
That's where you put the oil. This is where you put the oil in, and then I'll tell you when to stop. What? Oil?
Give me a cup. Ah.
Intermission.
Where? What's that noise? Is that you? Where are you? What the heck?
Big problem.
What's
I
up?
don't know where oil is at.
We don't have oil? Isn't it up in that cabinet? Wait, we can use butter.
Hold on.
Get butter. This sounds like oil right here. What the? Bruh, who put that there? What? I can't see. Do you have butter? Butter! Bazai, get butter.
I
She
don't
can't
know
hear.
where oil is.
Get butter.
at.
She can't hear. Butter from the fridge. Bro, butter. Do I get stuff myself? Butter. A camera.
Camera? Okay. Camera.
And I'm looking for the butter. The butter is in here, right?
Uncooked. So we don't have oil.
Bro, do you have butter? Do you have butter? Butter.
Oil? Yeah.
No butter! What is this? What is this? Is this sriracha? Bro, get this out of here. It's stinky. Where's your
butter. Can
Yes!
butter?
Nobody gave her
I don't have
permission
butter. This
to
is all I
crack the
have.
eggs.
What is it?
Ho, ho, ho!
Oh shit. What is this?
That's butter in a tub.
Okay, just pour it in a bowl. Do you have, wait, Zai. Do you have mayonnaise?
I don't live here.
Do you have,
I don't live here.
but I can't talk to her. Do you have mayonnaise? Do you have mayonnaise?
Let's cash it out.
Do you have mayonnaise? Do you have mayonnaise?
Mittens?
Mayonnaise.
Minis?
Man.
Moolah?
Man.
Man, like man.
Whoa.
Chill, bro. If you're yelling, stop. pillow.
Oh my
You want a pillow?
Command.
Wait, I actually might have olive oil. Does that work?
Yeah.
Does olive oil work? Oh, right on with my little.
Olive oil. What's that?
That's gonna be a no. Hey, isn't she supposed to be doing this? Hey, get over here. You're gonna pour this in. No! Pour this in. Why'd you get sour cream? Pour this into the bowl. Pour that into the bowl. You ain't never get the bit back. Alright, good girl. Now,
Butter.
you are gonna mix it and then we're gonna add the butter
Mix
in.
what?
I'm gonna get you a whisk.
No, we should add the butter now, right? What the heck is that?
It's a Stacy. Whoa. Zai, put it back on. You're annoying. You're cheating.
Bro, wait, is that munching?
You little cheater.
You cheater, I hear you munching, bro.
Tape? Put the tape on.
Is it mixed?
No,
it's powdery.
The
Yeah, that's wet.
sponsor me.
What touch?
Stop cooing. You sound like TJ. I think. I'm just reading your lips. Oh! That's what you sound like.
Oh, is it liquid?
This does not look right.
Yeah. 'cause it
Whoa,
doesn't
it
have
just
butter.
spilled everywhere.
Wait, how much butter do we put
It's
in?
overflowing. And that's what me. What
What did you put in your eye?
Get back.
Why does it always have to be me?
This is not how it's supposed
How
to
much
look.
water did you put in here?
1/4.
No, because last time it turned really spongy. Because we didn't have oil.
Oil?
And you're not supposed to use sour cream.
Yes,
You put sour
That's
cream
disgusting.
No, you put it in cakes and it makes it better.
You ain't never be the bit back.
Okay, heat this up.
You can see. You can do it.
Okay. So, oh shit, it doesn't want me to. Is it Stacy?
What is 350?
Yeah.
Okay, let's hurry it up.
Okay.
Can we do a taste test?
It's already 10 minutes. All right.
Guys, it's ruined, so we'll be back.
Bro, Zai messed it up. We don't even have oil in it, and it's like straight dupe. Like, do better.
What the?
Looks so good.
Does it?
What is that?
Is it supposed to look like that?
It's. Ew.
It's
Okay.
still raw.
Hold up.
No, I like it raw though.
Oh yeah, I like that. Nah,
Wait, really? Wait, I got this.
no,
Is it raw or not?
no.
Okay, maybe it's a little raw, but it's fine.
It's better raw.
Cause after
Okay, taste test. Let's go.
everything's better raw.
Let's go.
Shut up, Avery.
It's really hot. Can we like let it cool and like harden a little bit?
Yeah. What is that sound?
It's flour.
It got dandruff.
We're gonna add a big boob.
I like the raw.
Of course you do.
The rawer the better.